Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that might surprise you, the powerful connection between gut health and brain function. Gut health isn't just about digestion. It plays a crucial role in our overall well-being, including our brain health. Let's delve deeper into the intricate relationship between our gut and brain, which forms the fascinating gut-brain axis. This axis represents the bidirectional communication pathway between the central nervous system and the gastrointestinal tract, highlighting how closely intertwined these systems are. Research suggests that the health of our gut microbiota, the diverse community of microorganisms residing in our intestines, plays a pivotal role in influencing our mental well-being. These microorganisms produce neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, and gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, which are crucial for regulating mood, cognition, and emotional responses. Moreover, they interact with the immune system and produce various metabolites that can impact brain function. The gut-brain axis also involves the intricate network of nerves, hormones, and immune factors that facilitate communication between the gut and the brain. For instance, the vagus nerve, a major component of this axis, serves as a direct communication pathway between the gut and the brain, transmitting signals that can influence mood, stress responses, and even memory formation. Now, let's turn our attention to practical strategies for enhancing gut health and, consequently, supporting optimal brain function. Making dietary modifications is paramount, as certain foods can either nourish or disrupt the delicate balance of gut microbiota. Incorporating fiber-rich foods, fermented foods like yogurt and kefir, and prebiotic-rich foods such as garlic and onions can promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Additionally, integrating probiotics into our daily regimen can introduce beneficial bacteria into the gut, helping to restore microbial balance. Probiotic supplements or fermented foods like kimchi and sauerkraut are excellent sources of these beneficial microbes. Furthermore, stress management techniques such as mindfulness meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises can help alleviate stress-induced disturbances in gut function. Chronic stress can negatively impact gut health by altering gut motility, increasing intestinal permeability, and disrupting the composition of gut microbiota. By managing stress effectively, we can mitigate these effects and support a healthier gut-brain axis. Prioritizing gut health is essential for overall well-being, given its profound influence on mental health and cognitive function. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on gut health. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Let's continue this conversation together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.